Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, that is formation of a company, and we will discuss or have a short discussion on the promotion stage of a company. Okay, so let us get started with the discussion in details. So at the beginning I would like to discuss with you all that what is the definition of a company. You all have already studied about company in chapter number 2, that is forms of business organization. So that doesn't need a detailed discussion with you all. So just I'll discuss the definition in short. So a company is a legal entity, or it is a legal form of business which is formed or carried out by a group of person, and they are carrying out their business on the basis of the Companies Act, okay, or the corporate law that governs this business. And it can be in the form of partnership, joint stock, trust fund, or any other form of business. But whatever may be the form, it should be following, or it should be incorporated under the Companies Act. Then only we can call it as a company. Okay, now we will go into the details of formations, or what are the steps that are involved in the formation of a company. Now here comes the formation of a company. That means, what is the meaning of formation? Simply, if I have to explain you, then formation means when the process of starting the company form of business. Okay, so company formation is the process of incorporating, that means registering the business in the form of a limited company. Limited company means the members of this company have a limited liability. Okay, and the capital of the company is being divided into smaller units which are known as share capital. Okay, now it is up to the discretion of the company whether they want to issue their shares or they don't want to issue their shares for the financing purposes. But limited company means the members liability is limited to the extent of their investment made during the formation of a company. Okay, then when a company is registered, it becomes a separate legal entity. That means it has a separate legal existence, and it is separate from its members. A person that is completely distinct from its owners and responsible for its own finances, assets and liabilities. That means it will operate as on its own basis and distinct basis. Okay, so company has a separate legal existence from its members, right? Now in case if the company becomes insolvent, that means the company is no more into existence, or it is being bankrupt, then what will happen? The owners or the shareholders, that means the shareholders are also known as the owners of the company, they will not be held personally liable for all its debts, because it is a limited company. So they will be held liable to pay only up to the extent of investment they have made in the company. Okay, so that is why it enjoys a separate legal entity. Now here we have the steps in the process of formation of company. Now the formation of company has broadly 4 steps to be performed. So the first step is known as promotion stage. Now what happens is, in this step the idea of forming a company is being turned into a actual business entity. Okay, so the ideas are being promoted into a business concept or into a business entity. Next is incorporation stage. Incorporation stage means registration of the company. Then comes the capital subscription stage. At this stage the company will issue the share to the public and acquire their funds. Okay, then comes the last step, is commencement of business. In this stage the company receives the legal documents and the legal permission from the necessary authorities to start its business legally in the country. So these are the 4 basic steps that has to be followed in the process of formation. And today I'll just give you a short introduction to the promotion stage. So here we have meaning of promotion stage. Now this is the first stage in the formation of company. So it begins with a person or a group of person having a conceived idea of a possible future business opportunity and then taking an initiative to give it a practical shape by way of forming a company. As I told you that in this stage the idea of forming a company is being given a physical shape or is being given the shape of a business entity. Okay, and those persons who has the idea of promoting the company or who has these ideas of the converting the present idea into the future prospect is known as the promoters. Okay, so promoters, they conceive the business opportunity and also analyze its prospects means how it fruitful the project will be or the idea will be, and bring together the men, material, machinery, managerial abilities and financial resources that are necessary for the formation and existence of the company. So basically the promoters arranges for all the resources and has the idea of forming the business. So this is the meaning of promotion stage. Now there are various kinds of duties or the steps that are to be followed by the promoter in the promotion stage. So that I will discuss in my next class. Till then, if anyone faces any problem up to this much, can ask me their doubts. Thank you, children.